2 weeks following a 2-level lumbar fusion using 6 screws, 2 rods, 2 kgs, bone graft, the kitchen sink almost. But let's see you walking. Wow, very good. Superb.
I feel straight.
Yeah, you look straight. Can you turn sideways? Fantastic. Really good.
I mean, it's really odd, but I could feel it even straight off the operating table on the day. I could feel like something had shifted and that the alignment of my
Suddenly got better, yes.
was different.
You're definitely looking straighter.
Yes.
Can you bend forward slightly?
I mean, I can. It
Wow.
hurts. It does hurt.
But this is just 2 weeks after such a big operation. And it was done as a day case, and away you went.